at 12:21 this afternoon, the Los Angeles 911 operators took a call in regards to a need for a medical emergency at the 100 block of Candlewood Drive, which is in West Los Angeles. We sent a full alarm assignment, which is 2 paramedics, a full engine company, and a medical doc captain to that scene to treat the person that called for 911. When the paramedics got on scene, they treated the patient and then immediately transported the patient to a UCLA.
Captain, was he breathing? What was his condition?
Well, we really can't talk about that due to the HIPAA laws that were required to keep the confidentiality of the patient and also the patient's condition private. So you can understand that our concern is for the patient, and a quick response by paramedics and a quick response to the hospital was what the order of our response was this afternoon.
And of course, we're grateful to you for that. But can you respond to these reports we're getting from our affiliates that he had a heart attack or cardiac arrest?
You know, not being on the scene and not being able to know exactly what it was and how it was being treated and what we're allowed to say based on the confidentiality of our patient's condition, I am not able to say.
Could you tell us how long it took to get from the house to the hospital?
We were on scene. We received the call at 12:21 at 13. This was about 10 minutes after 1 o'clock. We were at UCLA Hospital.
So it took about 10 minutes to get from the house to the hospital?
Approximately, yes, sir.
Approximately, and then you dropped him off at the hospital. Now he's in the
Yes,
care of
what we do
doctors
is that
at the hospital.
Right, that transfer of care goes from the firefighter paramedics into the ambulance. Extreme care was given to that patient all the way to UCLA, and once at UCLA, we transferred that care from the paramedics of the Los Angeles Fire Department to the doctors and the nurses at UCLA.